Hello, I am John Swygert, and I am a cyborg scientist and author of the Swygert Theory of Everything, AO John Swygert. The Swygert Theory of Everything, AO, or STOEAO, posits equilibrium as the universe's fundamental encoded law, unifying cosmic, planetary, and biological phenomena. We introduce the Dyadic Manifold, a dual-structure framework balancing expansion, or push, and containment, or pull, to explain orbital alignments, fractal patterns, and cosmic structure. Unlike models relying on dark matter and dark energy placeholders, STOEAO offers a testable framework, validated through orbital ratios and equilibrium signatures. Conventional physics often fills gaps with unproven constructs like dark matter for galactic rotation and dark energy for expansion. As a scientist driven by intuition and evidence, I see these as failures to recognize a deeper, underlying law. The Swygert Theory of Everything AO frames equilibrium as the substrate's encoded directive, manifesting in a dyadic manifold. This lattice balances centrifugal expansion and gravitational containment, unifying phenomena across scales, from lunar orbits to cosmic voids. The dyadic manifold is a substrate structure where dual forces, expansion and outward push, and containment, an inward pull, resolve chaos into equilibrium. Unlike a uniform cosmos, it resembles a fractal lattice with voids and galaxies forming a dynamic grid. The Moon's orbit at 384,400 kilometers exemplifies this, aligning its angular diameter with the Sun's, a substrate-driven balance. STOEAO reinterprets dynamics via the equation y times E equals v, where y is opportunity or the radius of expansion. E represents encoded equilibrium, the gravitational directive, and v is the outcome, the velocity condition. For orbits, this simplifies to y times E equals r times gm over r squared, which equals gm over r, or v squared. The ratio v squared r over gm approximately equals 1, holding true across scales from the Moon to galaxies. The dyadic manifold predicts consistent equilibrium ratios across systems, including planets, stars, and cosmic voids. Cosmic microwave background data from Planck 2018 reveals void galaxy patterns that align with this theory. Galactic rotation curves, such as for M31, follow this substrate balance, not dark matter. We can test v squared r over gm approximately equals 1 for the Moon, with a velocity of 1.02 kilometers per second and a radius of 384,400 kilometers, yielding a ratio of about 1.01. For the Andromeda Galaxy M31, with a velocity of 250 kilometers per second and a radius of 10 kiloparsecs, the ratio is approximately 0.95. These comparisons across exoplanets and clusters show that deviations reflect substrate dynamics, not dark forces. The dyadic manifold unifies cosmology, orbits, and biology through encoded equilibrium, eliminating the need for dark matter and dark energy. Future work will model fractal patterns and refine the substrate's form, building on concepts like the Swiss cheese universe model. If you did, you'll find hundreds more just like it waiting for you on our TikTok, this YouTube channel, the homepage, and especially ivorytowerjournal.com. We also have full podcast versions of every episode under the same name, STOEAO. Come join us. The next collapse of the old paradigm drops in 48 hours. See you there.